Joshua's time for the recognition, and then during the afternoon it's my moving up ceremony of my sister because she's done with junior high school, right? Sel.
Mana lagi huli na? Oh, makaliguran na lagi dong.
Ang kuan mo na. Senior high.
We're so late.
And
it's done.
Sa the parking.
Yeah. So it's a tradition already that they always have that mass during morning for the graduating senior high school. We are here already. This is my alma mater, Talang National High School.
Ang tanak na niya deh.
Hello everyone, so we are here at Talang National High School, and I'm with my pretty sister.
Hawa din ako.
May apil akong mama. So the undergrad recognition started already, and it starts at grade 7, and dugay pa ako ang manghod nga si Joshua. So nagbuhat ni diri sa ilawom sa tik.
Kakahoyan. Joshua.
Di mo ni siya kakahoyan, day.
Where's Joshua?
Ang definition sa kakahoyan na daghang kahoy kani siya kay ano raman ka buok
habitat.
Yeah, so we're waiting for Joshua's turn, and my sister's moving up recognition will be after the undergrad recognition, right? Yeah. So may kasulti mo sa Tide?
Tide is so funny.
Second honor. Second honor. She's smart and she's pretty.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's a joke.
It's
a joke.
Oh no.
So sa imong bati nga second honor ka. How do you feel?
Happy and proud that through all years that 2 years pwede na Bisaya sa ako pagpaningkamot naalala ko nagbunga yun ang
nagbunga ang aking pinaghihirap. Yeah. So you're with Ate Josephine?
Yes.
Okay. Ate Josephine yan.
Ano sa kuya Ferry? Mag-sport lang akong luha. Dayungan ko lang ito stage.
Okay, dayungan ka lang stage. Si Giselle kay Kuguson sa stage. Sige, hintay ka. Basig busy ka.
Okay.
So as you can see, there are a lot of students and with their parents. So I actually missed the time that I studied here. It's been like 12 years ago or 22 years ago. Tiwangan na ako dahil
2,000 years ago.
Oh. Yeah. And I was able to actually work here for a short time. So muna siya ang simple nga recognition ceremony. Hi! So these are my students before. Ako na mag-selfie. Nakalimot ako. Si Sir Mir din, nara. Nara, oh, kitang Sir Mir. Nara ni Sir Mir.
Tanan ko na ano.
Isa ka nang kuan day gwapa.
Ah,
Siya gwapa ba? Chismosa lang. Yeah, and I'm still shy to roam around. It's because some people know me here.
Some people.
Some, not everyone. So, sa'yo kasulti niyo mo dahil nga, kung graduate na ka sa pagka-junior high school.
I'm happy and excited of my new journey. Okay na lang.
Asa man sa? Sorry, bago to. Grade 7 pa na, no? Grade 7 pa na?
Centino Catherine.
Oh, panon ako kasi nandyan ko sa pag-7.
Yeah.
Grade 7
Medal from Talang National High School and a bronze medal.
I actually handled like grade 7 and grade 9 and 8 before.
Honor.
So that's why some students know me here.
Altaya Lee will also receive a certificate. Medal from
And I
Talang
actually,
National High
before when I was in high school, I am also an awardee. Pero dili first honor. Dili ka ba? Kinatapusan joke. Ika 11. Guwapa gyapon joke.
Haya na mo ko mo.
Ha?
Haya na picture haya na mo.
Dili ang goal.
Nga magtudlo na kita na kali.
Wala. Kay plano na mo nga mo gawas.
Ato ra ka dito.
Oo.
Asa man sa mga nasod.
US.
Sa may sa bana ko.
Engineer.
Engineer.
Imong estudyante, sir?
Oh, dante na ako nimo. Bapak pa po no.
Oh, guwapa. Liwat sa kuan, maestro. Alis ako, sir. Asa?